In this tutorial, we will take a look at what a completed mission looks like and what elements make up a mission. We start with the mission overview. When you click on one of the missions, it opens in the mission summary view. This summary describes the mission, elements that make up a mission, which we will now briefly discuss one by one from top to bottom, starting with the mission name at the very top and the mission type. In our example, it is a BVLOS flight to a location. The field below contains the corresponding coordinates where the mission is to take place. The location is also visible on the map to the right. The next field indicates the type of aircraft intended for the mission, including relevant performance characteristics such as range and speed. The performance set can be directly linked to the aircraft type and is particularly relevant when it is a BVLOS mission where the flight is simulated with our technology. At the very bottom are the operational limit sets. For example, the weather parameters and limits taken into account during flight weather planning. After seeing how a mission is composed, we will now move on to the different views of a mission, which will be described in more detail in another video. In the top right corner of the screen, there is a menu for switching functions. Currently, we are in the Overview view. To the right of it are the functions Now for nowcasting, Aware for the 48-hour forecast for daily planning, and Cast for the 7-day forecast to support resource management and planning. The symbol on the far right can be used to show or hide the map.